In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a hyperlink in Outlook in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to give your emails a personal touch or simply want to ensure that your hyperlinks stand out, customizing the color can really make a difference. Let's dive in and take care of this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate over to Microsoft Outlook. If you've got it bookmarked, go ahead and click that link. Otherwise, fire up your browser and simply search for Microsoft Outlook to find the login page. Once you're there, the next thing you'll see is the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and sign in using your email and password. Make sure you've entered the correct credentials to avoid any sign in issues. After you're in and can see your inbox, look towards the top right section of the interface again, clicking on Settings. This will drop down a menu. You'll want to select the account option from this list. It's here that we can start to customize how your emails look. Now scroll down a bit until you find Signatures. This is where you can create or edit any email signatures you may have. If you don't already have a signature, you might want to take a moment to craft one. Once you have your signature up, look for the hyperlink text you've included in it. Highlight the hyperlink text, and as you do this, a set of options should appear. Look for the font color option, which is typically represented by a letter A with a colored line underneath it. This is where the fun begins. Click on this drop down menu and you'll be met with a variety of colors. Choose a color that appeals to you, something that will catch the recipient's eye but also fits with the overall tone of your email. Once you've selected a color, you're almost at the finish line. Make sure to click on Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the changes you've made are recorded. You don't want to go through all this effort only to lose your changes because you forgot to save. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully personalized the hyperlink color in your Outlook emails. Your custom color choice can now help your links stand out, adding both flair and functionality to your communications. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials.